Well, with the whole nation celebrating Yoga Day with great enthusiasm and spirit, the Northeast region is too gripped in the fervor of yoga, marking a healthy lifestyle. Yoga enthusiasts from all across the region participated in large number. The science of yoga imbibes the complete essence of the way of life. The whole world geared up to celebrate the International Yoga Day with utmost spirit, keeping in mind of good health and fitness. However, the fervor was seen in India's northeast region, where fitness enthusiasts from all across joined hands to celebrate the third International Yoga Day, spreading a message of healthy and well-being of everyone. Large numbers of yoga enthusiasts were seen performing various asanas and pranayamas, strengthening India's ancient tradition. In Assam's Guwahati city, Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal inaugurated the Yoga Centre at Janata Bhavan, commemorating the International Yoga Day. CM Sonowal, along with Acharya Balakrishna, performed yoga asanas and led thousands of yoga enthusiasts in Nalbari, Assam as well.
पर नॉर्थ ईस्ट में इससे योग का जो एक संदेश है बहुत बड़ा संदेश गया है और इससे लोगों के जीवन में खुशहाली आएगी, समृद्धि आएगी, समरसता आएगी, भाईचारा आएगा और आपस में देश का और इस प्रांत का, इस पूरा नॉर्थ ईस्ट का विकास होगा.
Hundreds of people, regardless of caste, creed and religion, have participated in the third International Yoga Day, which was observed in various parts of Jorhat district in Upper Assam. Most of the participants were students, NGOs, NCC cadets, youths, etc., who participated with high spirit.
It's very glad that in this part of the country also, people are welcoming this move by the government, because yoga, above everything, above every religion and all, it is accepted by people because of its great influence on health and mind.
In Arunachal Pradesh, children from various government and private schools were seen performing yoga with great enthusiasm and spirit held at IG Park in Itanagar. Despite heavy downpour, people turned out for the auspicious day. Chief Minister Pema Khandu, along with his Council of Ministers and Chief Secretary, also participated in the yoga and performed various asanas.
Despite rain, I think the participation was very huge. In fact, this wasn't very encouraging, So, but basically, I think that yoga should be practiced by each and every sections of the society and every people.
Following on the footsteps of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's initiative to emphasize on yoga as an essential part of daily lives for good health, Chief Minister of Manipur N. Biren Singh, along with Union HRD Minister Prakash Javadekar, joined hands with all in the state of Manipur and performed yoga. People from all walks of life gathered in large number in Khuman Lampak Indoor Stadium in Imphal to perform yoga out of their busy schedule. Later, the ministers also flagged off the run for yoga to encourage people to participate yoga in the state.
This yoga is very nice, fitness so good and feel better.
In the northeastern state of Sikkim, Minister of State for Home Affairs Kiren Rijiju attended the yoga session marking the celebration of International Yoga Day. In Tripura, the old and the young alike were seen performing various yoga asanas like slow neck stretches yoga asana, Tadasana yoga, mountain pose, Uttanasana, standing forward fold pose, Dhanurasana yoga bow pose, Surya Namaskar, Kapalbhati asana, etc. to name a few.
ये जीवन जीने की एक कला है, तो इससे बहुत ही फायदा है. इसलिए आप देख रहे हैं कि पूरे विश्व में बहुत ही उमंग उत्साह से लोग योग कर रहे हैं. तो हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कि उन्होंने इसको पूरे विश्व में प्रचार किया.
Moreover, in the state of Meghalaya, Nagaland and Mizoram, many health conscious gathered at yoga venues to observe the same in a grandeur manner.